How to make over 1,000 euros per day or 2,000 euros per day, as you see here in my case, promoting offers, weight loss offers on ClickBank and MaxWeb or any other affiliate network using YouTube ads. Now, as you can see over here, right, the first step I'm going to show you is pick the offer. So that's really, really important. I'm always showing this to my students and clients. Pick the right offer, right? Offer is really important. It must be evergreen. What is the evergreen thing? Evergreen offer, it means that people are already willingly spending money hand over fist every single day, as you can see over here, to buy the product. Basically, you don't have to convince them, right? You just show them the product, you just show them the offer, as you can see over here on my screen. We have different bottles. So you see, it's all about mindset. It's about behind psychology of how this works, right? So 3 choices. Why? Because people usually cannot make more choices. More choices you give to them, more you confuse them. So keep it stupid simple. It's just my idea and my approach. That's why I have the lifestyle I have. That's why I am super affiliate, right? Why? Because I understand people. I understand psychology behind the landing pages, behind the ads. And you must connect with human beings, on a different level. If you really want to have success as an affiliate, travel around the world, like you can see on my Instagram pages or other social media accounts, what you have to understand is people are buying things that they're already buying, right? You don't have to change the mindset. Like when I wake up in the morning, right, I would drink my coffee, I would drink my tea, I would take my pills, I would take my protein shakes, like every single day. So you don't have to change my habits or persuade me to buy new product if I'm already buying it, right? So understand this. So I'm always telling my students and clients, understand this point. The next step I always do is this. For example, in MaxWeb, set up tracking. Now, why tracking is really important? The word itself can tell you to track the sales, right? To know, people from US are buying this product. People from New Zealand are not buying this product. People from India are not buying this product, right? So you can track how many sales came from which campaign exactly. As you can see here, health and fitness, I add to MaxWeb, tracking system, really important. So most affiliates are not doing that and they don't understand how it works and they have no one to show them step by step. So of course they mess up everything. So really important second step, tracking. As you can see here, I set up my ProDentim offer for US. Why US? Because people in US are buyers. It's big market, they have money, they have debit and credit cards. So of course they're going to buy different products every single day. And I already know females 35 to 65 or 50 years old who are into yoga, fitness, weight loss, they will probably buy these kind of products, right? Yes, of course. So you have to understand people, you have to understand what is your message to market match. It's really important. There is no tricks or gimmicks here. It's all about real direct marketing approach, understanding your audience, understanding their needs, desires, and then giving them what they want on the silver spoon. So this is how it works, right? This is media buying one-on-one. So I do different presentations, different PowerPoints with this slide just to show you exactly how it's done, right? So as you can see over here, what we did over here, right? On Google Ads, you see Google, we choose sales. Why? Because we want leads or sales. So we want sales. The next step, as you can see over here, is then to get video uploaded to your YouTube. So basically we promote using video, right? Now devices are really important, right? You can see set specific targeting for devices. So we choose computers and mobile phones. I won't use tablets or TV screens. If you do that, you lose time and money. So you have to understand, you need to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way. It's worth the money, it's worth your time, right? If you really want to be professional, if you really want to make 10,000 or more euros per month. So you need to have sustainable way to make money online as an affiliate. So another thing is attention, interest, desire, action on your landing page, right? I'm always telling people this. When I'm reviewing landing page, the first section gets attention, right? This includes graphics on your text, on your landing page and text. Really, really important. Why? Because as you know, people have short attention span. They are maybe not even watching this YouTube video right now, right? So it's really important, keep it short and simple, to the point, relevant enough, and then go to the next step, which is keep their interest, which is relevant problems, right? If you're talking about teeth and gum problems, you're going to explain about this kind of stuff. The third step is what is going to make them desire your offer. What? We have testimonials, product images, demonstrations, before and afters. All of these things matter. And the last step, call to action. So you can use urgency, scarcity, call to actions, different colors of the buttons. So really important what kind of colors you use. So you do need to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, so you can have results, you can make money online. As you can see here in this case, right? 2,000 euros in one day. Yeah, it works. Why? Because I understand who is my audience, who is my market, and what do they want. Really, really important, right? So if you want to have results, intention, interest, desire, action should be on your landing page or blog. So when you are using, for example, let's say YouTube ads, of course, people go from YouTube ad straight to landing page. And what happens after is entirely up to you. Some people buy, some won't, but I also built my own email list on the back end, so I can promote different high ticket offers and so on, different coaching programs in the health and weight loss space as an affiliate, of course, and make extra commissions. So you have to be smart about this and have someone to guide you through step by step along the way to have the results that you desire. See, so you can pick up your phone and check commissions, how much you earned while you were sleeping. So it works because people are buying products every single day in many different niches. So what to do next? Please take my money. This is my SwipeOut that I'm using with emails to make high ticket and low ticket weight loss commissions. Now what you can do is also click the link below this video, connect with me on social media, WhatsApp or Instagram. You can email me, and all the links are below this video. Again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button so you can get more views, and also, of course, people to get more value. Thank you again.